I'm gonna show y'all how to make, we're gonna make corn on the cob in the microwave. So, the only thing you need to do before you prepare to cook it in the microwave is, if the ends are a little bit long, you can cut the ends off. Trim the end. Not that end, this end. So we're going to cut that off just a little. Well, some of the shuck came off. That's fine. Okay, voila. So we have the ends cut, and we're going to put them on a plate, like so. And then we're going to bring it over to the microwave. I'm going to place these inside the microwave, like so. No, I didn't wash them, I didn't do anything. I just put them in the microwave. Tame some of these. Okay, that should be good. So, it takes about 4 minutes per ear. And we have 2 ears in there, so we're going to do these for 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes per ear. And we'll start. Oh my. Oh good, it's done. That thing was really steaming up. Let's see what we got. For the next step, we bring it on over. So we bring it over to the counter. Let me show y'all the next step. These are the ends we trimmed. So what we're going to do now is we are going to trim the end off of it. Okay? That's this end. So we're going to cut that. Ah, hot, hot. Usually these cut really well, but I don't have a sharp knife. Okay? Now watch. There is no husk. Voila. And there we have microwave corn. So let's do the other one. So we'll trim the end of it. Let's put a towel over it. We'll trim the end. Okay. Slides right out. Okay? So there's no, let me bring you closer. Okay, so we have you closer. We have the ears of corn out of the microwave, and voila. Clean as a whistle. Add butter and enjoy.